Let's be real, finding the right smart ring can feel like a lot. You want the data, but you also want something that actually fits your life without a ton of hassle. So if you're ready to level up your health tracking without strapping a bulky watch to your wrist, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best smart rings, from feature-packed powerhouses to affordable options. Whether you're a serious athlete or just starting your wellness journey, I've found something for you. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your finger. First up, we have the RingConn Gen 2, and this one is a game changer for anyone serious about sleep. What sets it apart is the sleep apnea monitoring, developed with leading universities and hospitals. It gives you real-time AHI data, which is huge because most rings just give you basic sleep duration. It weighs just 2 grams, so it's incredibly lightweight, and you get a massive 10 to 12 days of battery life. Plus, there are no subscription fees, ever. You buy it and you get full access to all the data. It's waterproof up to 100 meters, so swimming is no problem. If you are dealing with sleep issues or just hate monthly fees, this is your ring. It's durable, comfortable, and honestly worth every penny. You can grab yours using the link below. Next, we have the Oura Ring 4, which is basically the gold standard in the smart ring world. It tracks over 50 health metrics, from sleep and stress to heart health and even women's health. The new smart sensing technology adapts to you, delivering incredibly accurate data. It's made from all titanium, so it looks sleek and feels premium on your finger. You'll get up to 8 days of battery life, and the fit is designed to be so comfortable you forget it's there. Just keep in mind, after the first month, there is a monthly membership fee. But for the depth of insight you get, many users find it's worth it for the detailed readiness scores and personalized guidance. If you want the most comprehensive data and a stylish, durable design, this is definitely the top-rated choice. Moving on to the RENPHO Lynx Smart Ring. This is a fantastic option if you want all the core features without breaking the bank. It tracks sleep, blood oxygen, stress, heart rate, and all your daily activities like steps and calories. The battery lasts about 7 days, and it comes with a charging case that gives you an extra charge on the go, perfect for travel. Like the RingConn, there is no subscription fee, so you just download the RENPHO Health app and you're good to go. It's 5 atmospheres waterproof, so it handles swimming and showers easily. The titanium exterior gives it a premium feel. For someone who wants a reliable, durable fitness tracker that handles the basics perfectly without a monthly cost, this is a smart choice. Now we have the ZBNMY Smart Ring. This is a more budget-conscious entry point into the smart ring market. It offers a sleek rose gold style, which looks more like traditional jewelry than a tech gadget. It covers the basics, but it's important to note that the data set is simpler compared to the other rings on this list. If you were looking for a way to dip your toes into health tracking with a stylish accessory without a huge investment, this could work for you. However, for serious tracking, you might want to look at the higher tier options we discussed. Finally, we have the UniJethro Smart Ring. This ring is interesting because it offers blood pressure monitoring, which is a rare feature in this category. It also tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, and steps, and uses GPS via your phone for activity tracking. The battery lasts about 3 to 5 days, and it comes with a nice 2-year warranty. It's IP68 waterproof, so it's safe for everyday wear and hand washing. It also has some fun extras like remote photography control. If you are looking for a more affordable device that includes blood pressure monitoring, this is a solid contender. So, after looking at all these options, which one should you buy? If you want the absolute best combination of features and value, my top pick is the RingConn Gen 2. The sleep apnea monitoring is a standout feature you won't find elsewhere, and the fact that there's no subscription fee makes it a fantastic long-term investment. It's comfortable, durable, and gives you the data you need without charging you every month. But no matter your budget or needs, all of these rings are carefully selected to help you take control of your health. Check the links in the description to find the best price for the one that fits you. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Your perfect fit is just a click away.